Hello everyone, welcome to Love and Lux. In today's video we have a Cartier unboxing. It's something that I got from my husband as a gift. I wasn't expecting it, so I didn't record the unboxing. I just opened it and then figured I'll do kind of like a reveal and show you guys what I got. I haven't posted in a while. I have been recording, but I haven't had time to edit and upload, so I do have a few unboxings and other things coming. I just haven't had time to edit and upload. So here we are. I'm just showing what you get with the package. He did order this from the San Francisco boutique. He said he had to call ahead of time to make sure that I didn't already have this item. And I was surprised when I got it because I wasn't, like I said, I wasn't expecting it. So here I'm just showing the date. I know that this was in early December, and now we're at the end of January, but yeah, I have stuff from November I still have to post. November, December, and January. So yeah, I'm going to be uploading again. It's just taking me some time. Okay, and so here we have the price, because I always try to include the price. If I have receipts or anything to show you guys for the purchase, I'll show you. This is the authenticity card for the item. And yeah, like I said, he both of our names are on my account at Cartier, so he was able to call ahead of time to make sure I didn't already have this item. They called him back once they verified I didn't have it, and he requested for it to be shipped quickly because he had it timed out. He wanted to give it to me after dinner. We went to dinner. I had no idea that he had it for me. So, yep. And this is what it is. So when I opened it, I was like, oh, you got me the love necklace. And nope, I didn't have it already. It's the 2-diamond love necklace in yellow gold. And I absolutely love it. I wore it for, I don't know, a few weeks, and then I took it off because, I don't know, for some reason I just like wearing my onyx VCA necklace in the fall winter because it's black. I feel like it goes with more things. And then this one, I plan on layering it with my other 2 Cartier necklaces, specifically the, what is it called? The Diamore in the yellow gold in the small size. I'm going to wear the Diamore on the shortest setting, and then this one here in the video on the longest setting. And that'll probably be my kind of like everyday go-to necklace stack for the warmer months. When I decide to take the onyx off the VCA necklace I'm wearing right now. Showing the back, so it has 2 chains and 2 settings. And like I said, when I wear this, I'm gonna be wearing it on the longest setting, layer it back with the other necklace, the Diamore. And then you guys see on my channel, I did a review. No, I didn't. Did I review it? I'm not sure. I know I did an unboxing on my adjustable yellow gold chain from Cartier, so sometimes I'll be throwing that one in a mix, but for the most part, it's going to be this necklace and the Diamore. There's a ton of reviews and unboxing of the same necklace. I've always liked the necklace, but I just never, I don't know, thought about having it for myself. But now that I have it, I love it. And yeah. So here I'm just, again, showing the necklace. It's very sparkly. It has, you could wear it on either side. So the side that says love has a small diamond and a bigger or a slightly bigger diamond on the chain. There I'm showing you where the Cartier name is, as well as your markings for your I forget what it's called, the little serial number and stuff. Or you could wear it on the other side where it just has the screw motifs. So yeah, that's it. I'm excited to have it, and I hope you guys liked the video. That's it. That's all. Bye.